Welcome to our channel Global Kinship, and today we are going to the dentist because this is a surprise for Nia. Because
we're going to the dentist.
We'll go to the dentist first because Inaya has to take out her tooth, which is milk tooth. Yeah, taken out one, so the dentist.
Your other tooth we have to take out.
Because the dentist has told you to come after 1 week, so you have to come. So you have to take out your tooth so that you get a nice teeth.
Yes. Yeah.
Not like me, but like like her, she got nice teeth.
But it will hurt.
It will not hurt. It will hardly. They'll
Yeah.
yeah.
They
Took it out. Like, it's fine, but we'll try. Let's try. Or we can go. No? Oh. Anyways, it was a
I
prank.
got a notification.
I
was looking at it.
Oh, it's okay. So we are. It was a prank for Nia. We are not going to the dentist because she doesn't want to go right now, and we will not make her cry for that. We'll go on once Papa will come, and then we'll go to the dentist, right?
He will pull my teeth out.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so right now today we are going to the D-Mart, and as requested, today is a yes day for them, and I have to say yes to everything which I'll try because I don't know what all things they are going to.
And money. Like I'll buy basically that I have never bought in my life.
Oh,
I will buy iPhone.
it should be in my budget, right?
I will buy iPhone.
Okay, so I am ready to go for the yes day, and I'll be saying yes for everything. And let's enjoy the day with Inaya and Samaira for yes day. Let's meet.
Okay, bye. Okay, so we are going and I'm filming right now with my sister. She will not talk mainly, I will only talk. I will also talk. I will also talk. It is very bumpy. I'll show you. Like, we are going.
So what all things you are planning to buy?
The phone fell, sorry. Okay, so I don't know. I'll buy many sour things. I will buy toys because I know that you will never play with. I will play with them. You will never play. You never play with your toys. Because I have no one to play with. We have so many toys. We have like so many toys, and she hasn't even touched it. Because no one just plays with me. Everyone's you can play with yourself. You can play with yourself. Everyone's lazy. You don't need to play with it. And the possibly so we are going, and it will take very long because we live very far away from D-Mart. We used to live there, but now we live very far away. Yeah, and it's like a half an hour drive. Yeah.
And it's very hot. It's very hot today. Outside 42 degrees, and
I am the last 2 days it was raining, so it was very cold. It's like a weather. The weather is like sometimes it's raining and then sometimes it's like extremely hot. 2 days. Yeah. What do we say then? I'll meet you in a few minutes after we're closer. I'm back and we are much closer. Yeah.
we lost our way.
Yeah. We are lost now. So we have to turn off. We are not closer. So we have to turn off maps for my home. So there's some numbers from there.
In 300 meters at the roundabout, continue
We're
straight.
deciding what to buy. Like what to buy. Yeah. I'll buy toys. She never plays with her toys. I play toys. You don't. Buy something else. No. Okay, I'm going to buy a lot of sour things. I think of plushies. Plushies? Yeah. Plushies are expensive. Very expensive. Like very expensive. Yeah.
300 meters at the
Plushies,
roundabout,
I don't think
first exit
plushies
onto
are going to be there near. I think they are usually, in malls. I haven't seen them at that much. so I don't think there isn't going to be that much. So let's see what is there. My sister is feeling car sick and my mom is driving, so I guess I'm the one recording.
You are feeling car sick?
Yeah. So like we are here and I don't know what
Should we put some limit on what all things we are going to like say yes?
Yes. Like for me, I'm really concerned. Like
Turn right.
I'm always concerned about Mama. I'm always telling her to say no to Nia because she always says yes. And I'm always concerned about things.
There are many bumps while on this drive.
So okay, we'll be there in 12 minutes. So see you when we reach there. Okay, we're here, D-Mart.
So finally we are in the D-Mart and here is the D-Mart and
Mama, can we buy anything?
I have been in this mart for earlier but they both have not.
Yeah.
So let's go inside and check out what all there for the yes day.
It's very hot, so
Yeah, it's very hot.
I'll be very,
Very hot,
happy,
very hot,
but
very
my
hot.
eyes are paining because of the heat.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
I'll be a popcorn.
Guys, Nia is super excited.
she always holds this thing. Always holds this.
She has
Come. Guys, we will be going towards the items which is specifically for you, okay? We'll not roam around entire D-Mart because it is very big mart. Yeah. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, let's go, let's go. Move. So I don't know how much time they're going to find their own is. I think you are going wrong. I think it is there. I don't know what she's going for.
Yeah.
What do you think? What she is looking for? I think she's looking for first of all the toys.
Yeah.
What is this? Okay, let's go first find out our aisle, right? Come on. So she's coming. Here is the aisle and she's excited. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Doritos. No.
But you have to say yes to everything.
Yeah, but not for. I said so, but let me decide.
No, man. You said you have to say yes.
Okay.
Okay, for me.
Yeah. Yes.
So guys, these flavors. I'm gonna get this.
These are very spicy.
That's not. These are sweet chili.
These are very spicy.
Tell me.
Spicy.
Tell me. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. No.
You don't want this? Okay. Yes. Yes, Nia. You don't want this? Yes. For me, yes.
I have to eat this.
You want this?
No.
So don't take it.
Guys, my plan is failing.
What else? Go. There's nothing. That side. Come this side now. Come this side.
I've already bought one thing.
Yeah. Come on.
Get one thing.
Go. Okay. Yeah.
Give me the. Give me it. I'm logging right now. So I think I'm going to get. Wait, let me give my things to home. Here you go. Then I think I'm going to get. I don't know what I'm going to get actually. Like, I don't eat that much chips because I hate spicy things. And this one maybe. I love these. So I'm going to get this.
Yes.
Yes? Okay, I got a yes. No, it's not spicy, it's tomato.
Tomato.
So, come on, let's
So Nia is getting super excited.
sour.
Oh, sorry. Okay, yes.
I'm going to buy one thing from every aisle.
Okay. Tell me what else you want.
Maybe two.
Let's check that side.
Maybe two.
Yeah.
This whole section is purple. Filled with
Yeah.
purple.
There are chocolates also, so many chocolates in the mart.
Oh, I like sneakers. I like sneakers, but I'm
Okay.
not going to get it.
I'm not getting anything.
From here anymore?
No.
You don't want to miss the chance to say yes.
Oh my god, I have two things
I
already.
want to get toys.
Okay, so let's go to the toys section.
Okay, she only has two things. I have like four.
She's always like this.
I don't think my plan is working, and neither they are noticing. So I think I have to buy unnecessary things like kitchenware. You know, like I'm going to buy kitchen things. Szechuan chutney? No, we are passing through that. What should I buy? What should I buy? That would piss them off, like get them real angry or make them notice that I'm acting off, really off. You know? We're going to the lift. I'll meet you. Because for some reason I'm not allowed to film in the lift. Whatever.
The lift.
I hate this.
So Nia is all set to take her toy, and she's looking for her toys. I don't know where she's looking for.
I'm feeling like I'm eating. So I'm going to get like
You can't get. You just have.
I'm getting this. I'm getting
This is one.
No.
Yeah.
First of all, she's looking for things. Okay, I'm going to say no. No. Today is no day actually.
Why did you say yes then? Why did you say yes?
Yeah. So can we have a look at another toys? Is there any toys? What? See, this is you have.
We used to have this, but more
Yes,
bigger.
but bigger than that.
Yeah, in Chandigarh.
Yeah.
She will. They will see how much.
Like those old days. No, just
So Nia is super excited to look for toys which she can choose. She's not getting anyone properly.
I can.
This you already have. Guys, we are back because Inaya got nothing for toys. So we are only, they agreed upon buying something to eat only, for which I have to say yes, they are saying. Okay, go ahead to the aisle there.
No, she doesn't want to hold, so I am.
This is yes day for Inaya, but Inaya is not getting what she wants.
So she's not taking the.
Her choice.
I'm taking this. You have to.
What are you taking? Nia, this is no for you. Big no for you.
What?
This is big no for you.
Mia, you have to stop.
Yes. You can't take this. You have other choices. Go ahead, you can have chocolates. What is little bit? Go. So Nia got these things. Okay, so you both you got five things each.
I have 4.
So get one more. What do you want?
Screamed.
Okay.
I don't know what to get, I don't think I'll be able to pull off the prank. So, ouch. I think I'm going to get what I decided on before. I've tried these. These are not like yoga bars. These are very tasty, like normal chocolate bars. I don't know how, but these are. I'm getting this.
I'm also getting these pills as a surprise for them to be a good girls.
Wait. Okay. Wait, do we have Kinder Joys? No, we do not. I wish they had Kinder Joys because I love Kinder Joys. I love Kinder Joys. Like, love. So, we'll be back after pilling.
Guys, they ended up by Lay's, girls, and gems, and waffles. Yeah, Doritos. Yeah, this is for Sherry.
For me and
Yeah.
Oh, in the yes day, we got so many things, and it was a very fun day.
And we
I
also
got
the Doritos we bought. It's very spicy. I don't know how to make eating this. And this one is Lay's. And these are complimentary for Sherry and Nia. So it was a very
These literally melted.
yeah. And this is waffle which Nia chose, and we had a very
Very good day.
yeah, very good day with the we
But
enjoyed a
for
lot.
Mama.
Yeah, it's okay, but so that is how we had our yes day, where I of course said no many times.
But it was a yes day.
Okay, so guys, take care and enjoy your day. Bye bye.
And thank you for being
Like and subscribe. Bye bye.